So that will automatically start downloading to your computer. Now, if we go to a WordPress site, go to plugins, and then we can go to add new, and then the person would just upload the plugin just like they normally would with any other plugin that they download. So after they click install now, they're going to click on activate plugin. Okay, now the plugin is activated. Over here, the name of the plugin will be displayed. So if I click on banner ad creator, before they can actually start using the plugin, now they need to enter their name and enter their email address right here, which I'm just going to do that, sign up and activate. And then after I click sign up and activate, the plugin is now activated and they can use it as they normally would. So you can see how powerful this is. It's super, super easy. If you have any questions about any of this, just submit a ticket to our help desk. But like I said, the platform is straight. It's very, very easy to use. Just copy and paste in some code and then distribute the plugins and you're good to go.